Welcome to HispanicConstructionJobs.com. Today we have this great job to share with you. And first you go right here to HispanicConstructionJobs.com. And we're going to share this job right here. It is by Ames Community College. And it is for Building Maintenance Tech 2 HVAC. And it's located in Greeley, Colorado, and it starts at $39,112 annually. And here is some of the job description. Purpose: build a stronger community. Vision, mission, and the job description. The building's maintenance tech 2 HVAC is responsible for assisting in the maintenance and repair of approximately 600,000 square feet of buildings, mechanical HVAC, and more of the description. Snow and ice removal, installations and setup, maintenance, repair, replace, install equipment found in offices, classrooms, common areas, etc. Minimum qualifications: high school diploma or GED, and preferred qualifications: HVAC equipment and systems maintenance experience, required documents, and more description. And to apply to this job, you just click this green button. And we always recommend that you create a job alert. You just click this green button after you fill out this portion right here. You just put your email, keywords, and your location. And you can fill out as many of these as you would like. Say you want to put a Tech 2, an HVAC, maybe a Tech 1 also. Just there's no limit to those. And then if you want to apply to this job, you can click this green button also. And then come back to the home page. You can search through the jobs, there's pages, or you can search right here. Just put the keywords as to the job you would like. And that's all for today. Thank you so much for joining. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new job opportunity. Thank you. Bye.